So what ChatGPT did was it produced the tables first in a format where you can easily copy and paste it into CSV, and then it started building the tables and it just spat out the text. We want to ask ChatGPT if if we can download it as a CSV file, and if it won't allow us because we're using a free version of ChatGPT, we can ask it to put it in a format where it's easily copied and pasted into Excel. All right, so let's do that right now. Okay, in ChatGPT, let's simply ask it, I would like to download the pets table into a CSV file. And let's see what it says with the free version. Okay, so it won't let you do it in the free version, but it does give you the copy and paste version. If you want to go ahead and copy this, you can open up Excel and paste it into Excel. And you can see, oh, in this case, it did not do it. It stuck it all into one cell. So that's probably not going to work. Let's ask for it to do it in a different way. Um, can you produce the pet table in a format that I can copy and paste into Excel? And now let's see what happens. All right, now it looks tab delimited. So let's see if we go back into Excel, if it is happier with a tab delimited instead of a comma delimited. Copy, paste, and that one seems to work just fine. So if you want to copy and paste into Excel, you may want to ask for tab delimited, or simply say, I want to copy and paste this into Excel, and it should be smart enough to separate the separate the columns by a little, tab or space. See, here separated by a comma, here it's separated by space, and Excel picks up on that pretty easily. From here, you're going to save book one, save as, and then select CSV. You can use CSV UTF-8, that's pretty common. You can use regular CSV, comma delimited, that's fine. Whatever it is, once you save it as a CSV, yeah, there's different options down here, but the UTF I think is the most common one. If you don't see it on a Mac, just any regular old CSV will do. It does the same thing, but save it as that. I'm going to call this pets table. And we're going to move on to the next one. Okay, let's do the products table the same way. Okay, and it tab delimited it for me. Here are the 20 different rows, copy, and let's do a new table in Excel. And we're going to paste, and there you go. File, save as, CSV, products, products table. I'm fat fingering this. Okay, products table, save. What other tables do we have? We have the sales table and the customers table. Okay, and we're just doing them one at a time. It's just easier. Okay. Okay. Let's do the customers table and then the sales table. All right, and here's your customer. Again, tab delimited, and they did the sales as well, also tab delimited. Don't worry about something like this where it doesn't look like it's lined up. It is because it's separated by the tabs. So sale ID, tab customer ID, and then you have one tab one. That's okay. That's not gonna, it doesn't look lined up to you here, but it is when you go and copy and paste it into Excel. So let's go back into Excel, file, new, and paste. All right, that's the customers table, file, save as CSV, customers, and we'll do it one more time, file, oops, I'm sorry, a new one first, blank workbook, and we go back into here. Again, this is the one if you're worried about, and I tell you don't worry about it, I mean it. There you go. See, now it all kind of lines up. And if you see these hash marks, all you need to do is increase the width of the field and you'll be good there. Okay, so everything's looking great. We have 51 rows of data because the first row is the title, and that's cool too. Everything was looking great. Let's save as, this was sales, and we're saving it as a CSV. And from here, we are moving on.